In this video, we are going to learn about the form builder service in Angular. So in our previous video, we have created the reactive form using form control and the form group. But creating the form using form group and form control is very repetitive task, as we have to create the instance of group and form control manually every time we create the new field or the new group. Suppose that right now we have only one group and there are two controls, but somehow if we have some complex object where we have some object that having some properties like address, that having the city, state, pin code, etc. fields, so we have to create another form group, so it becomes lengthy to create the form. So let us try to create the form using form builder. So we have this register component HTML where we have the fields like email, password, country, state, city, pin. So we are going to create the group, the registration form, with the help of form builder. So all we have to do is, first of all, we have to inject the form builder. So this address is again a group of some fields like country, state, city, pin. So we have to create another group. Now we have to bound this registration form to our HTML page. So here we can see this address is a group, so we can define it as form group name equals to address. And again we have to give the form control name. So we have bounded the form control name and the form group that are required. Let us run and open the application in browser. So we are having this error. So now let us open the browser. So this is the form that we have created, and we have also printed the values on the HTML page. So whatever value I am giving here, it is getting bounded. So this is how we can create the form using form builder, and we can create multiple groups of form. And if we have complex form that have hierarchy, so we can use the form group for defining the form controls. And if we have some complex object where we have to define some extra group, then we can simply go ahead and create another group, and simply go ahead and create the further fields for that group. And now if we are giving any default value, then that will come. Suppose that I am giving some default value, then it will simply bind it to the control. So this is how we can work with the form builder service in order to create the forms and the controls. Thank you so much.